Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of the Avery Project. If any of you guys watched my last video of the year yesterday for my Funko videos for you guys are car people and you guys watched it, hopefully you guys did. I would appreciate it if you did. If you did, great. Hopefully you guys left a thumbs up for me. Today, what I'm working on is a 2002 Monte Carlo 3.4. What I'm doing is I'm trying to diagnose my overheating problem. The other morning I was driving home from work. The car decided to overheat on me, whatnot. It's my fiance's car. She's driving her truck to work right now because she likes to drive her truck more so than she does this in the winter. So she's driving her truck. I'm driving the Monte Carlo right now. Unfortunately for you BMW fans of mine, don't worry. The BMW is not out of the picture. She's sitting outside right now because I have to get this done. And then we're going to be right back to my BMW video. So don't go nowhere, you guys. Stay tuned. And hopefully you guys are going to like all this crazy crap I got going on. It's a new year. Maybe we can change some stuff up in the videos a little bit. You guys, I need you guys to put everything in the comments though that you guys want to see change on my videos. I mean, anything you guys can think of that you want to see change for the better, obviously, for my channel. Go ahead, I said, put that in the comments. But, you know, like normal, you guys go ahead, watch the video. If you guys like what you see, go ahead, hit the thumbs up, share this with everybody you know. Go ahead, subscribe if it's you guys' first time joining in. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to jump you guys over here to the motor real quick. I'm going to show you guys what I've done, explain to you guys what I have done so far, and we'll go from there. So, let's get this on. Yeah, here we are. Alright, well you guys can't see it very well, but just a second. Maybe I can get you guys down in there. I'm using my big toy today. I'm not using my little one because the little one's been eating up batteries, so switched over to this. So I'm gonna go sideways on you guys for a minute, so don't think nothing funny going on here. Alright, let's see if I can get you guys down in there. I don't want to move this thing over. Oh, that good jazz. No, maybe she's not gonna get all the way down there. But anyway, down in here, there it is. You see the bolt right there. There's another bolt right there. Those are both 1/2 inch. I'm in the process of tightening them down right now. If you're using metric, I believe they measured off to a 13. Okay, what I did is, this is obviously where the thermostat is. I did pull this off already. I didn't catch it on video, so I'm sorry about that. But there are other videos out there with tutorials that show you how to do this. So if you guys want, go ahead and go check one of them videos out. I won't mind one bit. We all got to get our videos seen somehow, right? I wish I could remember a couple of the names of the people that I've watched. But anyway, you know, like I was saying, that's where the thermostat's at. I already pulled it out, put a different one in, made sure that it worked and everything. So it does work. It kicks off. I believe it was, what was it? 195, I believe it was. I'm not sure. I think that's what it was. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get to tightening that down. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to reinstall the hose, install the air filter hosing, all that. It's over here. Got a couple of sensors that you got to unplug. You got a hose off that comes right there. That's your mass airflow sensor. And then obviously you got some wiring right here that goes to that, as you can see. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going to get that all figured out. I'm going to go through, fill it all up. I'm going to go ahead and use the little valve right here on the top. You guys can't see that valve that's right there, that little nozzle. And I'm going to bleed it. And I'm hoping that by bleeding the air out, that's going to stop my reason for the car to overheat. So I'll bring you guys back in a little bit after I figure out what's going on, and we'll go from there. Alright, well, as you can hear, the motor's running. What I'm doing now is I am letting the engine warm up to temp. I am waiting to watch this little valve right here. I've got it loosened up so that if it starts to overheat, it'll start spraying water out like that once it starts pumping. And there's water there starting to come out. That's what I'm after. What that's doing is letting the water out of the air out of my system. I want the air to come out. That way I know that it's not going to overheat. And as you can see, it's just steaming right now. It means that it's pushing air out. Uh-oh. My water pump, I kind of got it a little wet when I was putting radiator fluid into it. God dang. I've been mumbling over my words. And okay, over here you see it steaming out pretty good. Pushing air out. So hopefully it'll start pushing out everything else I need it to push out. This way I can get it tightened down. Uh-oh. Alright. And as you can see, it's steaming out pretty good. Still not exactly what I was hoping for, but I'm hoping that that's all the problem is. Let's see in here if it's overheating or not. Can't see it very well, but right there it looks to be up and over its temperature point where it should be. So that tells me there's still something causing it to stop. Like I said, the thermostat's good. Excuse me. I don't know what I'm going to do. Doesn't want to. Do what it's supposed to do. It's gonna bum me out. It could be that water pump by the sounds of it. Maybe it ain't pumping right or something. Who knows? Huh. Been sitting in this garage for 3 days total. I've had it warmed up 2 different times, hoping that it'd help whatever be causing this. But you know what? Look at the way that thing bounces. What do you guys think? You guys know what it is too? The water pump. Alright, so you guys, I think by what we'd all just witnessed right there in the video, sorry that light's a little bright. Wow. Some bright bulbs in them today. Couldn't have changed them out, holy cow. I ain't had no sleep yet either. I worked all night at work and then bam, out to this today. So, as we all seen, I think we figured out what the issue is on this now. It's going to be the water pump. So I guess the next little thing I'm going to do on my channel before we get to my BMW, woo, the BMW, I can't wait to get back to that and get that thing. I have decided also on my BMW, guys, I'm going to strip it down. I'm I'm just gonna strip it right down bare metal, everything minus what I've already painted. I'm gonna primer gray it. I'm gonna talk with a couple of different body shops about getting some work done, see what we can work out, because I have decided, final, full out, I plan on putting my car into car shows this spring. I know, off of a gas station salary, you know, I can't help it, but, you know, from you guys out there, you know, the more you guys spread the word about my channel, the more, you know, the more we can get more views for me, the more everything that can start working for me in my favor that way will help this channel just blow up. I'll be able to bring you guys great content. I'll be able to start bringing you guys some car show videos. I do plan on attending quite a few of them here in Michigan this summer, with or without my car. So if you guys are out to any of them in the Michigan area, you guys see me with my black, goldish colored looking hat on, you guys see me, or you guys see me wearing this even, stop me, say hi, you know. But that's what my plan is for the car. And if I can have, what am I at, 22 subscribers right now, if I can get 45 subscribers by the end of January, I absolutely hate the cold. So what I'll do is I'll strip down to a pair of swimming trunks, and I'll go out and I'll jump in the snowbank, full on, and I'll even do a quick what do you call it, snow angel. If I get 45 views at the end of the month, I'll go out and jump in the snowbank and do a snow angel in just my swimming trunks. So if you guys want to see some guy freeze his balls off out in the snow, make sure you guys subscribe. If you guys are first time viewers, hit the like, subscribe. Till next time, peace out.